From this to this, we built this emoji-themed livestream room completely from scratch. Come check out how we pulled it off, step by step. First, I measured the whole space. Then, I knew we needed some display cabinets. What should we put inside them? Got an idea. Fill them with all kinds of emoji-themed models or merch. We can add more figurines up there. The cabinets are done. Next came the walls. I added some emoji-themed wall art, along with a custom backdrop for the live streams. The natural sunlight looked great until I realized we stream at night. So we definitely needed a few extra lights to brighten up the space. Let's turn them on and see how it looks. Time to decorate the table.
OK， 然后我们就 blah 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 blah.
Hi everyone. The wavy hands.
Right.
Yeah.
See you next time. Hope you enjoy partying.